you can spot the girl, can't you? Just had my hair done. Look, she's putting lots of little plaits. And I just bought some nice new clothes. Hey, well, you know, not being sexist, but you guys can buy some tools. Anyway, I am just about to go and have a coffee with my good friend Anthony. Now, we have known each other for years now. Anthony was incredibly kind when I first started in property, and you know that feeling where you walk through the door of a property event. In my case, it was Bristol PIN, Property Investor Network, which is organised by Simon Ziltch, and I've always had huge respect there. And you just walk through the door and think, I know nothing, they all know so much, I'm a little bit scared, I feel very sort of conscious of status, because you do when you don't know anything. Actually, that stuff doesn't matter, and Anthony was amazingly helpful. Also was an early investor, helped me buy my first HMO, lent me the money, the entire purchase price, plus some money for the refurb. I refinanced it and he got paid and everybody was really happy. So just been a long-term friend of mine, and now of course we just swap good old property stories, but we're meeting up, planning 2018 and just chatting about life, property, everything. So the key to this video is, number one, don't worry about status, it just doesn't matter. Be kind to people and hopefully they'll be really kind back to you. Number two, all the way through, particularly as you get busy, make sure you have time for these kind of useful, reflective, friendship-based coffees with people in your industry. And number three, eat cake. Right, I'm off to go and eat cake. See you soon. Bye.